Hello students, this question number 31 is from part test 1, subject engineering fluid mechanics and chapter fluid statics, and it is of 2 marks. The question says that a model boat consists of open top rectangular metal can containing sand as a ballast. If the can has a width of 100 mm, a length of 500 mm and a mass of 1 kg, then mass of sand required for the can to be immersed to a depth of 250 mm in sea water is how many kgs? Now the question, in that question, ballast means the material used to provide stability to a vehicle. So a can which is filled with sand is to be immersed in a water for a depth of 250 mm, and the can weight is 1 kg, and the mass of the sand in the can has to be found out. So to solve this question, we'll use the Archimedes principle, which states that when a body is immersed in a body, there will be an upward thrust acting on the body, and this upward thrust is called as Buoyant's force, and it is the weight of the fluid displaced by the solid body, which is this one. Now, to find the volume of the displaced fluid, which is equal to area into length, so we'll take the area of the can into the depth of the can immersed in water, which is 250 mm. We'll get volume displaced as 0.0125 meter cube. Now for stable condition, that is upward thrust should balance the weight of the can and the sand. So the upthrust should be equal to the weight force, which is F is equal to W, and the buoyant force formula is rho G into VL. So we'll use that, where rho is the density of the sea water because the can is immersed in the sea water. So rho of sea water into G into volume displaced, this is equal to mg, the total weight of the can and the sand. So by substituting all these formulas, where we'll substitute mass of the total mass as mass of the can plus mass of sand, where mass of can is given as 1 kg in the question and mass of the sand has to be found out. So by evaluating, we will find out the mass of the sand is equal to 11.87 kgs, and it is our answer. From this we have learnt what Archimedes principle states and what do you mean by buoyant force and how to solve the problem of buoyancy. Thank you.